everyone! Welcome back to the English Word. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. Good to see you again.
All right. Today we have a really nice topic, a warm topic, a human topic. But before we start, Jake, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I had a big breakfast today. Eggs, toast, orange juice. Very American.
Wow, that is a big breakfast. I only had coffee.
Coffee is not breakfast, Emma.
For me, it is. Anyway, I was thinking about something on my way here.
Oh? What?
I passed a school, and the kids were doing a project about your idol. You know, posters, drawings, cute stuff.
Oh yeah, I did one of those when I was 10.
Who was your idol back then?
I think it was Spider-Man.
Not surprised.
Hey, he was cool. He saved the city and did homework.
So that's how you got inspired today.
Actually, yeah. And I thought, many English learners want to talk about people they admire, but they don't know the right words.
True. So this video is perfect for them. And hey, friends, before we get into today's topic, if you love learning English with real conversations, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's learning too.
Seriously, it helps a lot. And it makes us smile, like this.
Okay, that was something.
I tried my best.
All right, today we have a really nice topic, a warm topic, a human topic.
And a fun topic, too.
We're talking about how to talk about your idol in English.
Yeah. You know that one person you admire? A hero. Someone who inspires you.
Maybe a famous leader, a singer, an actor, or even your grandma. Smiles.
My grandma actually was kind of a superhero.
Mine too. Okay, Jake, let's warm up with a simple question. Who is someone you admire?
Someone I admire. Okay, this one is easy. Nelson Mandela.
Oh, that's a strong one. Why Mandela?
Because he fought for equality. He spent so many years in prison, but he never gave up. And when he finally became the leader of his country, he forgave people instead of fighting.
Wow. Yeah, that's powerful.
In English, you can say, I really admire Nelson Mandela. He inspires me. I respect him because he fought for justice.
Those are great, simple sentences. Okay, my turn. My idol is Princess Diana.
Oh, yes. Lady Diana. Good choice.
She was kind, warm, and very human. Even though she was a princess, she acted like a normal person. She helped people. She cared about the poor. And honestly, she had this calm, peaceful energy.
She really did.
In simple English, I could say, I admire Princess Diana because she was kind. She inspired people all around the world. She helped many people and showed love.
Also, she smiled like she knew your whole life.
She really had that look.
You know, talking about your idol is not just saying their name.
Exactly. You can talk about who they are, what they did, why you admire them, and how they inspire your life.
So, Emma, how does Princess Diana inspire your life?
Good question. I think she inspires me to be more gentle, to listen, and to help people even in small ways.
That's nice. And very true to your personality.
Aw, that's sweet.
For me, Mandela inspires me to stay patient, even when life is difficult. He reminds me to stay strong, but also kind.
Wow, Jake, that was surprisingly deep.
I have layers.
Like an onion.
Exactly.
You know what's funny? I actually visited a museum in London once that had a big section about Princess Diana.
Really? How was it?
It was emotional. They showed her charity work, her photos, her dresses, everything. I felt like I was walking through her life.
I get goosebumps listening to you.
Thank you. It made me admire her even more.
I had a similar experience. When I visited New York, I went to a big exhibition on world leaders. They had a whole area about Mandela.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
It was. They even had a small piece of the prison door he used to walk through every day.
Wow. Jake, that's really moving.
Yeah, it made me think how easy my life is compared to his.
That's the power of idols. They help us see life differently. Let's teach some simple sentences viewers can use.
Okay, repeat after us.
Star basic sentences. My idol is blank. I admire them because blank. They inspire me. I want to be like them.
Star more detailed sentences. They teach me to be strong. They changed many lives. They made a big impact on the world. I look up to them.
These are great for daily conversations or English exams. Jake, do you think we could ever be someone's idol?
Someone's idol? Maybe if they admire people who drink too much coffee?
Hey.
Or people who lose their keys every day?
Okay. Maybe we're not idol material.
Not yet, but maybe after making 500 English videos?
I'll take that as a challenge.
So friends, today we talked about how to express admiration in simple English.
We shared our idols, gave sentences, and told some stories.
Remember, in English, you can say, I admire them because they inspire me too. My idol is.
And it's okay if your idol is a celebrity, a leader, or even your family.
Idols help us grow.
If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to learn English.
And tell us in the comments, who is your idol and why?
We read every comment, seriously.
See you next time.
On the English word. Bye!